Fun23 here. I'm going to be breaking this blaster box of 2015 Panini Prizm. 4 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. It comes with a Prizm Premier jersey. So, let's get into it. Last time I opened one of these, I pulled a Todd Gurley relic. So, let's hope we get a Mariota or something crazy like that again. Looks like maybe this one has a relic, so we'll save that one for last. Let's get into it. Mohamed Sanu, Mike Evans, and a blue bordered card of Khalil Mack. Pretty cool. And to finish off the pack, we got a Devontae Parker rookie. Jonathan Stewart, Teddy Bridgewater, Greg Olsen refractor, and a Dante Fuller Jr. We got a red or purple bordered card in here. Justin Houston, Denard Robinson, red bordered card of Delaney Walker, and a Brian Bennett. Roger Staubach, Julius Peppers, and this die cut of Peyton Manning. Broncos helmet on it. And Amari Cooper rookie. TD, Greg Olsen, and a Brett Hundley red bordered rookie card. And a Vince Mail. And here comes the relic. Hopefully we get something good. Got Brett Hundley, Brent Selleck, Levante David, and we got Jamison Crowder for the Redskins. You can see a piece of cloth is almost coming off right there. Pretty cool. So, thanks for watching.